Today I am playing my favorite game, Melon Playground. I added some fan-made units to the game. We got Carrot. They watch Carrot do a backflip. That is not a backflip. Oh, accidentally killed. He died. Oh no. Coconut died. So it's time for Coconut to do revenge. Wow, Wawa. Hindi mo need i-understand pero hindi ka ka-entertainment. Hindi mo need ma-understand kaya ako gani mga YouTubers nag-ibang sa language. Wala ko gano'n tao. Ano namin mo sa no ko nagbantaw nga YouTuber nga naain nga ano sa ano nga YouTuber nga hindi nga no ko bala na ano Mama, ano yung YouTuber na that's how to here's how to make my super easy carrot, burnt carrot. First, get something that shoots fire. Now burn him. Yes, burn him. Burn. Yeah, burn. Burn. Yeah, burn. Burn. Awesome. Here, burn. You are a burnt cookie. You are burnt. And you are burnt. I am gonna smack your body into pieces with my body. Yeah, this is how to make my super easy. Look, Coconut nut is a giant nut. Peekaboo. Oh my god, he died. He is burning. No, little bro is burning. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Oh, he keeps. Oh, he shot himself. This way, he keeps shooting. It shoots anything in its path, even if it's not dangerous.
Hindi kita masisisi kung makinig ang
Coconut nut. Jajanya, not if you get home out your net. The coconut nut is serving nut. You